SpaceX just made it official. We are only weeks away from them breaking ground on the Terafab facility right here in Grimes County. Now, this is going to be a world-class microchip facility, manufacturing plant, if you will, and it's going to bring 3,000 permanent jobs. But before that, it'll bring tens of thousands of construction crews here to the Brazos Valley. And that, of course, is going to have a major impact on our housing market. My name is Greg Schwartz. I'm a local investor and agent here in Bryan-College Station. I'm going to share with you exactly what it means as these construction workers start to flood into our local market. So let's bring you up to speed. SpaceX and Elon have chosen Grimes County as the location for one of the largest microchip plants known to man, and that will be the Terafab facility. They're calling it Terafab. These microchips will be used in AI, computing, and data centers. Now, they had to jump through a lot of hoops, and they have successfully gotten tax abatements and approval by the governor to build the facility. So the next phase is going to be construction. Now, during this build-up phase, while they were going through all this red tape, we saw land transactions really start to pick up. Now, there's not a lot of data because most of these transactions were off-market. And in a lot of cases, these were shell companies controlled by SpaceX to buy up the land in and around the Terafab site, which is off of Gibbons Creek. But we've also seen some investors start to buy up land in and around the area in order to tap into the potential. I expect that to continue. And of course, as more data comes in, I'll share with you the exact impact it's having on local price per acre in this rural community. But beyond that, I think that the next step, the next impact that we're going to see is a flood of construction workers. If we bring 10 or 20,000 construction workers into a county whose population is only 30,000, well, they're going to have nowhere to stay. So we will start to see short-term and midterm accommodations being booked up. So if you're an Airbnb host, if you are a Furnish Finder host, if you are a VRBO host, then you can expect to see these construction crews and the companies that are in charge of their housing start to inquire about your units. Now, I expect most of the action to take place in Navasota and along Highway 30 as we go from Gibbons Creek out towards Bryan-College Station. In fact, I think one of the biggest opportunities over the next 5 years will be midterm rentals along the Highway 30 corridor within 20 minutes of the Terafab site, because we will have construction crews in town for the next 5 years as they build out what should be a $55 to possibly $120 billion manufacturing site. And that is just mind-blowing how big this is going to be. It's going to take years to complete, which means that there's plenty of time to get in on the opportunity, but you don't want to sleep on it. Because as I mentioned, we've already seen the activity in land, and I expect residential activity will pick up next. If you want to know more, of course, like and subscribe. If you have specific questions, you can always hit me up. You can send me an email to info@schwartzrealtygroup.com. You can shoot me a text. You can schedule a call with me. All my information is down below. And if you want to know more about what's going on or be brought up to speed on the Terafab facility, check out this video I made a few weeks ago.